With the master of the master, chief of the king, and judgment of the judgment. Honorable chief guests, respected teachers, beloved parents, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today we gather to celebrate a very special day, Pakistan Independence Day. On this day, 1947, our beloved country, Pakistan emerged as an independent nation, free from the colonial rule. This day marks the realization of dreams and sacrifices of our forefathers who fought tirelessly for our freedom. Respected audience, as we stand here today, we sacrifices and honor the vision of Kailash Muhammad Jinnah and forces sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Their unwavering determination and self-sacrifice fuel the gift of a free homeland, where we shall live with dignity and pride. Respected audience, Independence Day is not just a day to celebrate our freedom. It is also a day to reflect on our responsibility as citizens of Pakistan. We must ask ourselves what we can do to make our country stronger, more prosperous, and more unique. It is our duty to work together to build a nation that upholds the value of justice, equality, and democracy. Our country is blessed with rich culture, heritage, diverse tradition, and immense potential. Let us work hard embrace our diversity and work towards unity. It's through unity that we can overcome the challenges we face and achieve greatness. Respected audience, education, however, cannot on the keys of a brighter future. Let us educate ourselves and our children for education that is the foundation of progress. Let us work hard in our respective fields contribute to the development of our